Hello, little ones!
Do you know what this is?
Dolphin!
A dolphin with wheels.
Under the sea, under the sea. Let's make a dolphin that moves on wheels under the sea. First, let's color the dolphin.
What color is your dolphin? Color, color, color.
Draw all your favorite shapes.
Hearts, stars, triangles. Wow!
I love blue! Under the sea, under the sea. So wild and free, zoom with your dolphin under the sea. Let's put all the body parts together.
Press, press, press.
Fold it up and give it a tail.
Put the wires and the propeller in.
Zoom! Our dolphin is going to be so fast. Whee! I'm a dolphin car! Vroom, vroom, vroom!
Dolphins are so cool.
Under the sea, under the sea. So wild and free, zoom with your dolphin under the sea.
Stick it here and stick it there.
Now your dolphin car is ready to share.
Now add the wheels.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Round and round they go.
We love to roll. Let's go for a ride.
Wheels go round, fast and free.
Rolling under the deep blue sea.
You did it! Hooray!
Under the sea, under the sea. Let's make a dolphin that moves on wheels. Let's make a dolphin blue with some wheels under the sea.